What if I told you the way your email signature looks right now is actually costing you credibility? Every single email you send, that signature is the last thing people see. And most people are still sending email look like this. But today I am going to show you how to fix that under 5 minutes, completely free. On top of it, I will also make sure that you do not need to put a lot of effort in making this signature. So of course we're gonna use AI. Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Technoholic, where today we are going to talk about how we can create a stunning professional Outlook signature using Claude AI. Now before we jump in, let me tell you why this actually matters. Every email you send is an opportunity, a last chance to look credible, professional, and memorable. A great signature builds your personal brand. It tells people who you are, what you do, and how to reach you, all in one glance. And Claude AI is going to help us build that with an actual HTML code in seconds. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I am going to open my browser and let me type here Claude. Now you may be asked to sign in, so you can use your Google ID, and if you have not created your account, you can create your account, which is pretty straightforward. So here I am just signing in, and here you can see that I am using free plan, so that's why it is free. Now the next thing here I'm gonna do is I am going to give it a prompt which looks like this, and you can find this same prompt in the description of this video. And all here you need to do is you need to put your name. For example, I'm gonna say Rahul, and then let's say the title is following, and the company name is, let's say, Rocket Sales. Phone number is, and the website is. Now I would say it is totally up to you what else you would like to add. If you also want to add some social media link in a similar fashion, you can do that. I'm gonna now simply going to add this LinkedIn, and then you can also define, let's say if you have your own company standard or color scheme, you can define that. And then I also want to make sure that the signature also looks great in phone as well, so that's why I added this line, which is keep it mobile friendly. Now let's click on go, and there you go. So here I can clearly see there is a need of further adjustment. I'm gonna take screenshot of it and I'm gonna give it, optimize it for sales, and further improve, make it look, and then you can define, let's say I'm gonna say luxurious. And there you go. Now I'm gonna simply click on download, and let's open this page again on HTML. And you can also see that Claude have also provided us some instruction. So let me follow this. So it says that open this file in any browser, which we already did. And now I'm gonna go in the following path, which is file option mail signature. So let me quickly open Outlook, and now here I can see the signature is on the top. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna click on manage signature, and let's create a new signature. Now here I can keep it aside, and I can also give it a name. So I'm gonna say primary sign, and now I'm gonna go back again to Claude to copy, and now let's go back again here in Outlook and paste it. Now this is how it looks. Maybe we may require some kind of adjustment, and now here you can adjust it based on your requirement. Now let me click on save, and let's close this. Now next time whenever I'm gonna use my signature, probably I will prefer to use these newly created one. Of course I need to further fine tune it, but this kind of gives you idea of what you can do utilizing Claude AI. And that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.